Here are 5 reasons why you should be visiting the UK Garage and Body Shop event this June.
Number 1. New products and services. The UK Garage and Body Shop event brings together equipment manufacturers, service providers, and part suppliers under one roof at the NEC in Birmingham. Whether you own a garage, run a body shop, or work on the tools, you will find out more about new products and services at the event on one day than you may in a number of months. You can come away with some great ideas, make contacts, and set yourself on the road to future-proof your business or your career.
2. Training seminars. This year's UK Garage and Body Shop event will see industry experts descend on the halls of the NEC Birmingham to offer their expertise. And it's information that you need for your business to make sure that you stay up to date with the latest technologies, products, services, and more. There's dedicated training for things such as EVs, ADAS, body shop equipment, and more. So it's definitely worth being there.
Number 3. Special offers and competitions. Equipment, product, and service providers are already lining up show special offers or competitions which you could miss out on if you do not attend the UK Garage and Body Shop event. Whether it's a price discount, free add-ons, or extra merchandise, these offers are exclusive to the show. There are also a number of competitions where you could win some great prizes, from product bundles to motorsport activities and weekend breaks. It pays to do your research and plan your visit to the exhibitors that you believe have something to offer to your business. Number 4. Networking. A show is not just about the stand, and the UK Garage and Body Shop event understands this. There are a number of networking lounges around the show, while you also have the opportunity to catch up with other garage owners and technicians, industry experts, or market professionals. Spreading knowledge helps the aftermarket. It can help your business. And with thousands of attendees already registered, there is no better location than the UK Garage and Body Shop event to network.
And 5. Visitors to the UK Garage and Body Shop event will get free parking and a free breakfast. If that's not a good reason to visit a show, I don't know what is. The UK Garage and Body Shop event takes place on the 5th and 6th of June this year. You can sign up for your free ticket by scanning the QR code on this video or checking out the dedicated page at autorepairfocus.com. Just click on UK GBE 2024 in the menu bar. We will see you there.